Hey everybody, so today I decided I would make a new updated thumbnail tutorial because I haven't done one in several years, and the way that I make my thumbnails now is so different than I used to make them, so I just decided to do an updated video. The way that I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these is super easy, beginners can do it, everybody should be able to do it, and it is completely 100% free, which is awesome. The website I use doesn't even have like one of those paid options, so you don't have to worry about it asking you to pay for anything. So yeah, let's just get right into the tutorial. The very first thing you're gonna need to do is get your actual photograph. So you can specifically take a picture while you are filming, or while you are filming your video, you can pose in a certain way and then take a screenshot or an image capture of your video so that you have a thumbnail. But either way, you just need to somehow get your picture. Then you're gonna need to go to Pixlr. Then you're just gonna click on this Try Photo Editor Pixlr X. And then you're gonna create new. And then you're gonna click on this one so that there's this blue bar here, because this is the size for YouTube thumbnails. Then you're gonna click on background. You can do whatever color you'd like, although you probably won't see this color in the final product, and you can change it afterwards if you'd like. So then click on create. Then you're gonna need to put your image on there. So you're just going to drag your image on there and then click add current. The first thing I always do is blur the background, but if your background is already blurred, you don't have to do that, or if you don't want the background blurred, you don't have to do that. I'm just showing you guys every step that I take to make mine. With this, I don't really have like any specific things I do. I just kind of do random stuff, and then I'll like do a swipe on here, and I like that blurriness, I guess, so then I will go over the rest of the image. I'm going to do a little bit of editing on my face. So after you're all edited up, we're going to make the text. Also, let me know if there's any other like styles of thumbnails or any like thumbnails that I have made that you guys want to see a tutorial on how to do those styles of thumbnails. Let me know and I will do that. So you're just gonna type whatever you want to type there and then make it whatever size you want, you know, like shorten the box, do whatever you like. And then I'm just gonna size it up. Okay, also I should have put it in the font that I was gonna use, because that would have helped. So I'm gonna use this one just because it's a very bold font. Another thing I really like about this website is they have a whole bunch of really good fonts and a bunch of really odd fonts too, which is nice. So I like to scroll down here and then go to the outline button, make it black, and size it down to 2. And then we're gonna click on the paintbrush for a drawing layer, and we're gonna make sure that we are clicked onto this so that we can actually draw. And now we're gonna pick whatever color we want our background shadow thing to be. We're gonna put the softness all the way up so that it makes more of a glowing effect. And you can put it at whatever size you'd like. And then we're just gonna go through and click. If you just hold your mouse down, it just doesn't do the effect as well. Like here, I'll go, like, see, it does kind of a dotted effect. So I usually just click like a lot, and so that is pretty annoying and everything, but you don't have to do that. You can just scroll over it, and you can scroll over it a few times if you'd like, but this is personally just what I do. Okay, so now I have got that done, and honestly I think that's all I'm going to do, but I'm gonna look on the image add element part and look at the stickers to see if they have any new stickers that I might want to add. As well as you can use different PNGs and everything from Pixabay and Pexels. So honestly, I think that is good. I think I like how this is. I might just play around with a few different things. Like, what if we just... let's see. Let's make the size bigger. Like, you know, can we just... That would be a good idea to put behind text as well. Probably not over the glowing stuff we've already done, but you know, that's an idea as well. There's different shapes too, so you could go like this if you wanted the content bug type text, although I feel like you probably shouldn't do that because that would just kind of be copying her. But you can go like this as well, and that is popular to do as well, depending on what your style of video is and everything. If you guys ever see any videos with really cool thumbnails and you really want to know exactly how I made those, just let me know and I will possibly make a video showing you guys how to make those thumbnails. And if you have any other questions, ask me in the comments down below. Oh, I forgot to add, this is how you save it. You click the save button, and then we're gonna go thumbnail. Okay, so then we're gonna go download, click on this, and then drop it on our desktop. And that is it. That is how you do that. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial. If there's any other like thumbnail options or designs or styles that you can't really figure out how to do that I've done in the past or that I might know how to do, just ask me in the comments down below and maybe I'll make a video on that in the future, or I'll answer your question if you ask a question or anything, you know? So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.